Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about what is evolutionary psychology and why we should be studying evolutionary psychology. Now, evolutionary psychology, broadly speaking, dates all the way back to Darwin himself. In the end of his collective ego shattering book on the origin of species, he says, and I quote, "In the distant future, I see open fields for more important researches. Psychology will be based on a new foundation, that of the necessary acquirement of each mental power and capacity by gradation." End quote. Thus, predicting the field which both this channel and my academic career will be dedicated to. But what is evolutionary psychology, you might ask? Well, according to the Encyclopedia of Philosophy, evolutionary psychology is any attempt to adopt an evolutionary perspective on human behavior by supplementing psychology with the central tenets of evolutionary biology. It is important to note that evolutionary psychology is not a discipline in the same way that social or cognitive psychology are, but rather, as the definition implies, it is an approach to disciplines. Now, why should we be spending money on research? And this part of the video is not scripted, I'm just saying my opinion. Humanity, we have a lot of good qualities and a lot of bad qualities. Sometimes our bad qualities speak much louder than our good ones. In case we want to better ourselves as individuals and as communities and societies, we must know who we are. And in order to know who we are, we cannot ignore the fact that psychology belongs under biology. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you want to catch my next content or if you want other people to learn as much as you did.